Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Wednesday, May the 6th. The time is 3 a.m. GMT. So for today, we are looking at the chart of the pound yen. This is a 60 minutes chart here. We have this decline to be a wave 1 and this bounce here to be a wave 2. You can see this wave 2 here is in the form of an expanded flat. We got A, B, and then an impulsive move on the upside C, ending with 2 here. Since then the pair has started to turn lower again, so currently we are within with 3, and you can see in the subdivision here 1 2 3 4 5, looking to end a 5 ways down here, which should be ending only with 1 of 3, right? Should be ending only with 1 of 3. Then subsequently we should be bouncing to correct this 5 ways down in a 3 7 11 swing. In this case we are showing a zigzag here, EBC 3 swings or 3 waves. Then as far as that bounce fails below 135.45, we should be able to see further downside again in a wave 3 of 3. Alright, so overall then the bias is to the downside. Now however, you can see the arrow here, the color remains black because we have not technically broken below this previous low here. So but we are very close to breaking, so I think it's just a matter of time before we actually breaks it. Once we breaks it, then they should confirm that the next leg lower has already started. So at this point I think it's pretty much likely that we're gonna break instead of calling for double low and then with the what looks like an impulse here. So it is more likely to break and resume to the downside. Now let's zoom out a little bit and take a look at the larger degree. So remember we got 2 here, we got 1 here. So if I look at the 4-hour chart, now there is not a full label, right? But just showing to you what's important here for our purpose for the short-term move. We got this 1 and 2 here. If you look at the 4-hour, and this is your 1 and 2. So what that means is currently we are calling this decline that starts from April 9 to be an impulse. Now at this point, honestly, we do not have the confirmation this is really going to be a wave 3, right? So if I measure 1 2 and the 100% extension, this is the 100% extension, 131.7 129.3. all right, so if we are indeed in a wave 3, then of course we should be continue to extend lower aggressively here, and like we saw earlier, we should be ending only 1 of 3 and then do bounce and then do another push lower like this, right? So wave 3 should be at least 1.618. usually it's the strongest, not should be, but typically should be the longest, and reaching 1.618 typically, right? Or even more, 129. So if this is a 1 2 3, then we should continue to extend lower while holding below this 2 over here, 135. So as an alternate, this drop here in the yen pairs is going to be sort of usually is happening during the risk off period. So you might also see some sort of risk off across the market in indices, for example, and so on. Now in the case of the pound yen, as an alternate, this could be just an ABC. If it is an ABC, then in fact after we hit this 131.7, which is really not that far away, so maybe we will be ending this 5 ways down at around 131.7, which is the 100% extension. Now if this is not a 1 2 3, then we could in fact be ending ABC in around 131.7, and then if it is bullish, we could be rallying from here, because then this becomes a 3-ways correction. Instead of 1 2 3 4 5, it becomes only a 3-ways correction. Then it becomes bullish and then starts to turn higher, and then looking for more upside to reach this next 100% extension from March low. Okay, so that will be the alternate. Okay, if it turns out to be bullish. But otherwise, if this is 1 2 3, like I said, then it should continue to extend lower, and any rally should fail below here, which is the 1 and 2, and then continue to see further downside like the 1 hour chart here. Okay, so that's the update from the pound yen. Hope you enjoyed. Please do like and subscribe our video and our channel. And as always, if you want to try our service, and if you're a new client, you can always try 14 days rate trial. I will provide the link in the description of the video below. See you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.